Hi there! Today, we're going to explore the incredible world of beetles. These fascinating creatures come in all shapes and sizes, and they play essential roles in our ecosystems. Let's dive in. Beetles belong to the order Coleoptera, which is the largest order in the animal kingdom. There are over 350,000 known species of beetles, making up about 40% of all insects. That's a lot of beetles. One of the most recognizable beetles is the ladybug or ladybird beetle. Ladybugs are not only cute but also beneficial because they eat aphids and other pests that harm plants. Did you know that a single ladybug can eat up to 5,000 aphids in its lifetime? Another well-known beetle is the rhinoceros beetle. These beetles have impressive horns on their heads, which they use to fight other males for territory and mates. Despite their fierce appearance, rhinoceros beetles are harmless to humans. Now let's talk about the dung beetle. These beetles are nature's recyclers, feeding on animal dung. They roll dung into balls and bury it, which helps fertilize the soil. And fun fact, some dung beetles can roll dung balls up to 50 times their own weight. Beetles also play a crucial role in pollination. For example, the soldier beetle visits flowers to feed on nectar and pollen, inadvertently transferring pollen from one flower to another. This helps plants reproduce and ensures biodiversity. Did you know that some beetles can glow in the dark? Fireflies, or lightning bugs, are a type of beetle that produces light through a chemical reaction in their bodies. This phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is used to attract mates and communicate with other fireflies. Let's not forget about the bark beetle. These tiny beetles can cause significant damage to forests by boring into tree bark and laying their eggs. However, they also play a role in breaking down dead trees and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Now let's take a quick look at the anatomy of a beetle. Beetles have a hard exoskeleton that protects their bodies. They also have two pairs of wings, the hard outer wings, called elytra, which cover and protect the delicate flight wings underneath. This unique wing structure is one of the reasons beetles are so successful and diverse. In addition to their ecological roles, beetles have inspired humans in many ways. For example, the brilliant colors of jewel beetles have inspired jewelry and art, and the strength of beetles has influenced engineering designs. Here's a fun fact. The Hercules beetle is one of the largest beetles in the world, reaching up to 7 inches in length. It's named for its incredible strength, as it can lift objects 850 times its own weight. That's like a human lifting a tank. In conclusion, beetles are fascinating and diverse creatures that play vital roles in our ecosystems. From pollination to decomposition, beetles contribute to the health of our planet in many ways. So the next time you see a beetle, take a moment to appreciate these amazing insects. Isn't that amazing?